Okay, I don't know how well this is gonna work, but we're gonna make it work because I don't know how to record using my laptop. Alright, I hope you could see my computer screen. So, first thing that we're gonna do is go over here. We are going to grab, we're gonna grab this. Okay, never mind, we're not gonna grab that because it wants to be difficult right now. We'll go here, we'll add in our street view. Alright. So I sitting at an awkward angle, so I can't really see my entire computer screen that well. But we're gonna want to add in, we're gonna want to change the coordinate reference system. So I know how you like your forestry, and I know how you like Finland. So we got a Finland layer. And we're just gonna change our coordinate reference system of our map down here to this WPSG 3067 or ETRS 89. And we're just gonna hit OK. And then bam, we got our map looking a hell of a lot different. But we've got Finland right here. So now it's time to fucking do our little georeferencing. So we'll go over to our layers up here and then click georeferencer. Now, this is where we get to go in and pick out our example data. Mine's all the way back here. And then, fuck, I should have just went from where it was at, but it's okay. You get to see all of it. And then this is the image. We want to take this older image and georeference it to this newer aerial image. This is like our scammed map. So with this example, there's some big old X's on this map that we can use to georeference. So once you get into the georeferencer, you'll automatically be prompted with like this little cross instead of a regular cross or cursor. This little cross will let you place points down. And for our example, we have 4 little points with the corresponding coordinates next to them, or at least for this first one. But we've got a point here. We've got it's supposed to be one over here somewhere. And then we have another one somewhere over here. Yeah, right here. And we got our original one that's all the way down here. Each of these should be like, I think 1,000 in either direction away from each other. So it's not that big a deal. But we'll start off with this one. So we'll click that in, move this bad boy out of the way, and type in our coordinates. So we've got, let's hope I do this right. No, I am a little athletic, so we'll see how well I do this. And then just so that we can have it reference our current map, we can click this, or we can click this drop down menu And then we see that our project is already defined here, so we could go there as well. But we're just going to click this. And we're going to click our current coordinate reference system, and we'll hit OK. And so now we have our east, and we have our north, our x, and our y. And then now that that's good, we'll hit OK. Now, here comes the fun part. We got to go find each of these little points again, and then kind of tell them what's up. Tell them who's boss. So since we already have, these should only be 1,000 away from each other in either direction. So our y should be the same. While our x should change. Yeah. Just go back in. You don't have to do this every time, but I like to do it every time just because, you can never trust the system. All right. Now we got to go up here. Ah, there it is. Couldn't find it last time. All right, so east. We got 6, 7, 8, 7, 000. And then we got north. We've got 2, 5, 5. Should be 8, 000. And bada bing, bada oh. I think I might have fucked that one up a little bit, but it's okay. Well, it's probably not okay, but once we get all the points down, we can worry about it a little bit more. Oh, the phone's slipping a little bit. I got this ghetto rig right now. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Shit's hurting my nose. No. Fuck, dude. Always forget my extra zeros. Alright, now I can fix my phone. Make sure that it's not blocked by the rubber band. Oh, oh, I don't even know if you were able to see any of that. Alright. So now that we have all of this done, we should be able to we should be fine. And we'll save these points. We'll save them here, and we'll just save these as our ground control points. And yeah, now we have that. And now we want to just add this for our reference. Actually, I lied to you. We don't want to do that first. Linear. This. I want to go back. I don't want this. Sorry, I just fucked up. Alright, so now we're back. We'll go here. We'll grab our saved file because we saved it last time because we're pretty smart. Okay. Well, I guess we're not that smart. Okay. This is fucky. Be quiet. Stop it. Where are my points? There we go. Okay. Now that our points are there, we can start georeferencing. Please load layer. That would be georeferenced. What? This is... all of this stuff should be okay. This is just where, you know, obviously where the file we're creating is going to go. This is like the map reports and whatnot. This is the part we need to worry about, though. We have to make sure that we're in the right coordinate reference system, and then the transformation type we want. I think we just want linear, so I'm not too sure though. And now we can, oh, what the hell? This bullshit. Alright, now go. What? What the hell? Okay, hold up. We'll go back here. We'll go to layer, georeferencer. Shut up. Shut up. Sometimes I hate this stupid fucking program, but it's okay. Cannot load data. That's because that's not a raster file, dumbass. That's this. Alright. Alright. Okay. Now we'll load in our map. Whoops. And now we'll load in our points. Right. Bam. Okay. And now we'll go to transformation settings. Alright. Alright. Forget everything I just told you. And we're back here. We're right back here. Okay. So linear transformation. Make sure we're in the right coordinate reference system. Where it's going to go, how it's resampling, how we want the folder compressed. We'll just say none because it's not that big, so it's not that big a deal. And then everything else should be fine. This is going to load it into our current project once it's done georeferencing. So back to our main map once we're done. All right. It's definitely running, I think. No. Oh, wait. Okay, now that we did that, could not create file, destination file. Let's give it somewhere easy to go then. I'll just fucking spit it out here on my desktop. Call it shitbrains. Call it shitbrains. Yeah, shitbrains. Maybe we'll do linear since it's a transformation type. And okay. Go. Alright. I don't quite understand this. I'll go here. And then we'll go here and read what this file is about. These forms sometimes help. Unchecking set target destination, solve the problem for me. The fuck is he talking about? Set target resolution. Okay. Let's go. Oh, hey, it worked. I guess you do listen to the forums sometimes. Ship brains. This doesn't look right, though. Well, okay. Well, I know exactly what I did wrong. I entered in my coordinates wrong. I had to switch the X and the Y, but that's okay, I guess. Yeah, definitely not in India. That's definitely not where we want it. But my coordinates were off. So if you end up using the same data, just make sure to switch the X and the Y coordinates and you'll be fine. But anyways, what it's supposed to do is supposed to be down there, and then we could bring in our... Oh, let me do this. Let me show off my fancy coding skills for you. Alright, we'll do we'll call it dat, and then equals, and then we'll bring this in. Yeah, you're about to be real impressed, Lily. We'll copy our path, and then do one of these numbers, and then go like this, bam, bam. Alright, now we have a name for that file, right? And so now we're going to go iface dot add raster layer. And then since this is a raster layer, I think we just need this. We can also name it. We can name it like Gilbert. And then we have to give a destination format or origin of it. So I think that's OGR. I can't remember. I don't even know what it stands for. It's not a recognized validator source. What? That doesn't make any sense. I think maybe we just gotta tell it where it's at. Alright, anyways, we'll just fucking do this the old-fashioned way, because I don't want to deal with this coding bullshit. I will bring this in just the most barbaric way possible. Yeah, but if I had my coordinates right, it's supposed to be right here in this forest. But since I switched up my coordinates, I got my coordinates mixed up, my X and Y's on my ground control points. It's not here, but this is where it's supposed to be. Alrighty, well, hope that helped.